Today, I found this amazing product on Etsy, and I made sure it's getting a lot of sales. So I wanted to share it with you so you can design it today and start selling it in your own stores. At the beginning, if we look at the top, we'll notice that 2 people have purchased this product in the last 24 hours. And the seller is pricing it at $2.25, which is actually a very good price. And if we scroll down just a little bit, you'll see that it's a digital product, and that is exactly what we care about. Now, if we look up here, you'll notice that this product is labeled as an Etsy's pick, which means it's selling really well and customers love it. And this is a very strong signal that the product will sell extremely well if you design it the right way. Now let's move directly to the product images so we can clearly understand what this product actually is. On the first page, there is a barn, and this barn has a large square divided into 9 smaller squares. On the second page, there are farm animal shapes that the child can easily cut out, and then place and glue into those squares. As for the next pages, they also include the same barn and the same animals, but this time, the animals are arranged inside the squares in a specific pattern that the child needs to copy. For example, in this page, you'll see that the pig image is placed in the top left square. So the child will cut out the pig image from the second page and then place and glue it into the top left square on the first page, which is the barn page. And to make this even easier to understand, just watch this video. You'll see that the child can place the animals into the squares very easily by copying the pattern shown in the other pages. You might think this product is complicated to design, but you're going to be surprised at how easy it actually is. Just watch this short video with me until the end, and there's something very important before we jump into the design process that I want to share with you, because it will benefit you a lot. Today, I added 5 brand new products to my 80-book bundle, and if you scroll down, you'll see that I've included 5 secret products inside the collection. Now here's the best part. I didn't want only buyers to benefit, so I made product number 1 and product number 11 from these secret items available for everyone. So if we click on product number 11, it will open directly with me here on Canva, and you'll see that this product is called Ladybug Matching Activities. The first page of this product contains ladybugs, and each one has a number from 1 to 9. Then, if we go to the second page, you'll find 9 red circles, and each circle contains a number of dots, also from 1 to 9. This activity is very simple, but I'm 100% sure it can generate a lot of sales on Etsy. For example, the child will go to the second page, cut out one of the circles, let's say the one with 4 dots. Then go back to the first page and search for the ladybug with the number 4, and stick the red circle with 4 dots onto it. And just like that, the child learns numbers, how to match them, and how to count in a very easy and fun way. And the final look of the first page is actually beautiful. I personally really loved this activity, even though I'm the one who created it. And it doesn't stop there. You can easily duplicate the first page and continue the numbers. You don't have to limit yourself to just 2 pages of this activity. I'm simply giving you ideas with these secret products, so you can expand and create your own unique versions. Now, if we go back to the 15 secret products, I also left product number 1 available for everyone. And if we click on it, it will open here on Canva as well. This product is also amazing, and it focuses on numbers from 1 to 10 across 10 pages. The first page is for number 1, and then moves to a fun exercise below. The instruction says, cut 1 apple from the apples at the bottom and paste it onto the tree. So the child cuts 1 apple and places it on the tree, representing the number 1. Then if we go to the second page, it's for number 2. The child learns how to write number 2 and then moves to another fun activity below. The exercise says, cut 2 fish from the bottom and paste them into the fishbowl. I didn't complete all the pages. I just left you ideas so you can easily finish the rest from 1 to 10. All you have to do is continue with the same pattern as the first and second pages, And that way, your product becomes unique, and you won't have identical listings competing with each other. Now, going back to my 80-book bundle, it's no longer just 80 books. It's a complete collection of 80 full books. And each book contains around 30 pages. You can easily edit everything, whether on Etsy or using Photoshop. You'll receive the files as PDFs and fully editable Canva templates. And I'm confident that if you get this bundle, it can generate amazing sales for you, whether on Etsy or Amazon. Because this collection was built very professionally over the past months, and it reflects more than 7 years of experience in this field. And the best part, it includes all types of trending kids books. Literally any book you can imagine, you'll find it inside this bundle. Plus, you can easily combine these books together to create completely new products, enough to sell on Amazon for at least 2 years. Just imagine opening your own store on Etsy or Amazon and selling more than 100 books. I'm telling you, you can generate hundreds of sales from these products. And it gets even better. I add new products to this bundle every single month, and they're available to anyone who purchases the bundle at any time. The price will definitely increase in the coming days, because right now it's heavily discounted. And honestly, the 15 secret products alone are worth more than the full bundle price. I carefully researched them, and I'm sure they will sell very well on Etsy. I've already added 15 Etsy-focused secret products so far, and the latest 5 were just released today. These products are kept secret so they remain exclusive to buyers, giving them a real advantage over others in the market. I'll leave the bundle link in the description and in the pinned comment. Get it now, you won't regret it. Every dollar you invest in this bundle can come back multiplied many times. I'm absolutely sure of that. And sorry for taking a bit long. Now let's jump straight into designing the product we saw at the beginning of the video. We're going to create a new design with dimensions 11 by 8.5. After that, the first page will be the animal barn page. So I'll go to the Elements tab and search for barn. Then I'll choose one of these nice images. Let's go with this one. Now I'll resize the barn image and place it right in the center of the page. Next, I'll go back again to the Elements tab and search for Farm Background, so we can add a background image that matches the farm and the animals. I'll pick this one. I think it looks really good. Then I'll place it behind the barn image, and now the page already looks amazing. Now we have one final step for the first page, which is adding the grid of 9 squares. So I'll go to Elements again and search for Table. Then I'll right-click and press Delete Row until the table becomes a 3x3 grid, just like this. After that, I'll change the color of the squares to white, and also adjust the border thickness to 2 so it looks clean and consistent with the rest of the design. Then I'll slightly resize the table and place it on top of the barn like this. And you can even change the table color to red so it matches and blends perfectly with the barn color. And just like that, we've finished the first page very easily. Now for the second page, which will be the animals page. I'll add a new page, then go directly to Elements and search for Farm Animals. You'll find a lot of different shapes. I'll choose these ones and add them to the page like this. You can add, let's say, around 12 animal heads from farm animals. After that, all we need to do is resize these animal heads smaller, and then arrange them neatly on the page like this. And don't forget to adjust the size of the animal heads so they match the grid at the top. For that, I'll go back to the first page and copy one of these squares by pressing Ctrl+C. Then I'll go back and paste it into the second page. Now I'll resize the animal heads so they perfectly match the size of that square. We can select all the animal heads at once and resize them together so we don't waste time. After that, I'll arrange the animal heads neatly on the page like this, and you can add even more farm animal heads if you want. For me, I'll add around 12 animal heads on this page, and that's more than enough. And just like that, we finished the second page, which is the animal heads page. Now, to design the final page in this amazing product, I'll add a new page, then go back to the first page and copy the barn image with the grid and paste it into the third page. Now, all we need to do is create a pattern for the kids to copy. So I'll go to the animal heads page and copy, let's say, 9 random animals. Then I'll arrange them inside the grid on the barn in any way I like. I'll organize them like this. And to create more patterns, all we have to do is duplicate this page, and then just change the positions of the animals inside the grid to create a new pattern that the child can copy. After you design all the patterns, you can resize them a little and place, for example, 3 patterns on each page if you don't want too many pages in your product. Or you can keep each pattern on its own separate page. It's totally up to you. Now, all the child has to do is look at the pattern and copy it. For example, if the first pattern has the cow in the top left square, the child will cut out the cow image and place it on the first page in the same square they saw in the pattern. This is a very important exercise for kids because it helps them improve focus and develop better hand control. After that, you simply download the product as a PDF file and upload it to Etsy just like I showed you in the video that will appear on your screen now. I hope you found this helpful, and don't forget to grab my special bundle of 80 books because the price will go up very soon. This is your last chance to take advantage of the current discounts, and I'm sure you'll make multiple times what you paid. I'll see you in a new video. Goodbye.